I don't even know how to start this video. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, how dare I, right? How dare I come back after 10 months of not posting? Okay, before we even get into the video, into the hair, into anything, I am so sorry. Life got hard. Life is still hard. There's a lot to say, but long story short, my time got very limited, very restricted in the last year. I used to be able to juggle Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, but then I started working full time for another company, and it got hard. It got really fucking hard, almost impossible for me to film weekly YouTube videos, especially since this is a one-woman production, baby, and I'm not in the tax bracket to be hiring a personal assistant or a video editor, so I'm so sorry. I've been gone. But I'm back, or at least I'm trying to be back, okay? My time is still very limited, but I want to try. Additionally, for those of you who have messaged me, DM'd me, or commented on any of my posts on TikTok or on Instagram asking me when the was I gonna go back to YouTube? Thank you for still even being interested in my YouTube videos. Thank you for still remaining to be subscribed to this channel. That means the whole entire world to me. Actually, one of you commented on one of my TikTok videos just yesterday. It says, are you going to be making any more YouTube videos? I miss them so much. Thank you, Madison M85. You're so fucking nice. That's actually what motivated me to just go fuck it and just film today out of nowhere. There's truly no plan or script for this video. I just wanted to do it. I just wanted to sit down in front of this fucking camera and start talking. We will be doing some fun hair stuff, but I wanted to get this out of the way. First, I wanted to at least explain myself. I actually feel very uncomfy and awkward right now because I haven't filmed like a full length video in so fucking long. For TikTok and Instagram, I mean, that's just like 1 to 2 minute videos. It's not the same, but I know I like this. I even preferred it. On TikTok and Instagram, everything is like so fucking quick. I feel like I'm just a little robot that has to script everything she says so that everything can fit within this very short time frame. So yeah, I love this. I love making YouTube videos. I just feel very uncomfy right now because I haven't done it in so long and I feel so guilty because I left this fucking job for 10 months. Let's get on to what I'm gonna be doing with you guys today. Wow, you guys haven't seen me in 10 months and a lot has changed, including my hair.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
Last time you guys saw me, my hair was this long. Now, here we are. We're shoulder length, baby. Actually, I'm starting to pass my shoulder. I cut my hair back in September, and actually I didn't do a curly cut this time. I just did a straight cut because the 2 previous times that I did curly cuts, I didn't end up being fully satisfied with the results, or like it took me a month after the cut for my hair to actually make sense or for me to actually like it, for the layers to work perfectly. So this time I just said, fuck that, and it ended up working out. Maybe it's because the hairstylist also had curly hair, so she knew how to cut hair that would work for straight hair and curly hair at the same time. Anyways, yeah, the hair has changed. She's very frizzy right now. Don't mind her. What else has changed? I'm no longer in like the Sephora squad thing. I think last time I spoke to you guys, I still was in the Sephora squad. That already passed. It expired. I have new tattoos. I have here my mom and I have this BoJack Horseman tattoo. Shout out to the BoJack Horseman people. I have a new piercing. I don't even care about these updates. I don't even know why I'm telling you. I also turned 28 this past year. Oh, I've gotten really into the gym. I mean, the last time you guys saw me, I was already at the gym, but now I got these fucking guns. And that's a big part of me. And just recently, me and my boyfriend made 7 years together. Yay! I think that's it. I think that's all you missed. Not really. There are a lot of things in between, but those are some highlights. Now that you've caught up, let's get into the hair. Let's get into what we're here to do. Yeah. I just thought it would be nice to do a little refresh, catch up with you guys. This is my warm-up video into getting back into doing long form content, okay? So today we're gonna do a little refresh. This is day 3 hair. Yeah, she's she's giving rich troll. And actually we're gonna do it with a product that I'm about to use for the very first time, which is this one. This is the Bounce Curl Defining Cream. The very first time that I tried Bounce Curl was 3 days ago when I did a wash day. I posted it on Instagram if you want to go see my first impressions. Sorry, my boss just literally messaged me. Oh, I have an eye watch now. I guess I'm one of those people too. Anyways, I tried Bounce Girl for the very first time. In this video, I did a whole wash day and I styled my hair using the gel and the hairspray, but I didn't actually use the cream. So no better time than now, right? In that video too, I showed that they sent me a bunch of things. They sent me these little mittens made of microfiber. Freaking genius, girl. They also sent me their viral defining brush. Obsessed. Obsessed. It's like 2 brushes in one because I used to use my very loved, very popular boar/bristle brush, and then I used a comb to separate the clumps. But with this brush, you get to do 2 things at once. You get to define the clumps using the bristles and then divide the clumps using these little ridges right here. Truly genius. They sent me a water bottle. They also sent me their bonnet, their towel, well, whatever. Just check out this video. It's both on Instagram and on TikTok where I show everything that they sent me. But today, these are the main tools. Also, I feel like I'm freaking rambling because I haven't done this in so long. So I'm sorry if I'm talking too much and this video ends up being 45 minutes long. Anyways, let's do this shit. I know I said that I just recently now for the first time used this brand, but I feel like it's already in my top 5 brands that I've ever used, especially for curly and wavy hair. I understand now why you guys have been yelling at me ever since I started this fucking channel to try out Bounce Girl. There are like certain brands that y'all have been telling me to try like from the beginning, bro, and I just haven't gotten the chance to do it. Other one that you guys have told me from the beginning is Inner Sense and also Umberto Giannini, something, the pink line. But listen, I'm explaining something to you. I am not the type of content creator, influencer, blah, 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 that loves to have a bunch of shit in her apartment, okay? Just like a bunch of products, even though I already have a bunch of products. But you know, the creators that like get every new thing to review, etc. And I'm not judging them because I know it's part of the job, you know? But bro, I can't be like that because first of all, I don't live in a house. I live in an apartment. More specifically, a New York City apartment. This shit is small. I don't have storage for so much shit, and it's not like makeup products that are, you know, like this big. Hair products are big, bro. Like it takes me forever to go through hair product, especially if I'm trying like 4 to 5 different brands at the same time. So if a brand hasn't sent me the product that you guys are requesting me to try, bro, it's gonna take me a minute. It's gonna take me a good minute. Like if I have 7 open defining creams from 7 different brands here and you guys tell me, hey, can you please try the Inner Sense defining cream? I'm gonna be like, one day, girl. One day I will, because I feel like crazy and honestly quite guilty buying hair products considering that I have so much shit in my apartment already. And don't get me wrong, most of the things that brands sent me, they end up being gifted to family members, neighbors, friends, whoever needs them, you know, whoever needs the hair product. And as grateful as I am to a lot of these brands, bro, I can't do it. Oh my God, this smells amazing. Let's take a look at this cream. This cream is very thick. I'm not gonna lie, I am a little scared because I have fine wavy hair, so I don't want it to get weighed down, but wow, look at this. It looks like a jar of shea butter. Even in the directions, it says, this product is extra concentrated, so apply a small amount of cream. Heard you, boss. Should I just do that for this one tiny section? My hair was very tangly, and this is, wow, holy shit, this just detangled everything so quick. A little goes a very long way with this cream. Yeah, this cream is gonna last me 7 years. But yeah, coming back to YouTube, guys, I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna do my best to film every Wednesday, and by the next Wednesday I should have the video up. Like this, I'm filming on Wednesday the 7th. So by Valentine's Day, this video should be fucking posted. If you guys are not seeing this on Valentine's Day, yell at me. Be like, hello, this was supposed to be up earlier. Anyways, let me show you how much I love this brush, okay? I know you guys have seen it. I know you guys have seen it before on like 17 other channels, in 17 other TikTok profiles, and in 57 other Instagram accounts. I know, but I still wanna show you how it works on my hair. This is the second time that I try the brush, and truthfully, I prefer using it with big chunks of hair like this. Usually for a defining brush, I would use maybe half of this and go like little section by little section. But with this brush, I actually prefer to do it with big chunks. I don't know why, but it just works better because it just applies more tension and I can just go, look how it divides the clumps. And then shake, and then just scrunch a little bit, not too much, not too much. And look at the little clumps, already separated, divided, ready to be diffused. Not only is it 2-in-1 in the brush, but by doing bigger clumps it saves me even more time. And I'm so happy they sent it to me because I tried purchasing it twice and both times it was sold out. But okay, I know that I just kind of like bitched about it taking me so long to try new products because I don't like buying things I already have. But if there's anything that you guys really want me to try for whatever reason, whether it's because it's a very innovative product like this brush, maybe because you haven't seen it tried in wavy hair or on fine hair, I don't know, just let me know and I'll do my best, okay? Or just comment and say hi because I'm excited to talk to you guys again. I know I have a pretty good community in on Instagram. A lot of you guys already follow me on Instagram, so that makes sense. And I actually am able to have conversations with you guys in the comments and in DMs. But I don't know, like I feel like I have an emotional attachment to the original community I built here on YouTube because this was my first ever audience. And as much as I love my IG community, you guys will always have like a special place in my heart. Like thanks to you guys, I was starting to get taken seriously by brands, by companies. Okay. Let's do this shit. Wow, it really does take like the tiniest bit of cream to get your hair completely saturated in the product. Oh my God, I just realized this entire video, I didn't have my mic plugged into the camera. So if this audio is absolutely trash, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna upload it, I don't care. I said this is my warm-up video and I meant that. Damn, my hair has been going through it this winter. Look how dry it looks, hello? This is embarrassing. This is gonna be a bitch to detangle, I can already tell. I might need more cream on this side actually. Okay, pray for me.
God damn.
You guys heard that? Excuse me. Okay, I had to go do that off camera because I really needed to focus. My hair was so tangled, what the hell? Anyways, look how these little mittens work. They're so cute. It's so good. Anyways, my hair is now fully styled. I'm gonna go diffuse. I'll be right back, babies. Hey, I'm back. Hair is dried, diffuse, ready to go. Also, I plugged in the mic. I have no idea if it's gonna even make a difference. I might need a better mic. You let me know. Anyways, these are my finished results. Okay, that cream is no joke because this is just a refresh. And look at look at this random curl over here. And yeah, this definition is actually really good. Like my expectations were low, not because of bounce curl, but for the little amount of product that I used. And considering this is third day hair, I don't know, I was just like, whatever, it'll probably just tame some frizz. But it fully just brought back my curls. I might just wear my hair down tonight. Look at that. I have a dinner tonight and I was fully prepared to just have to do an updo to make this hair work, but she's gonna give it, oh, I just washed it today. You know? Anyways, that's it for the, I guess this was a product review. Was this a product review? I don't know, guys. I feel like a fish out of water right now. Is this how I used to do product reviews? I can't even fucking remember. Okay, but jokes aside, I'm thoroughly impressed by bounce curl. Like, I knew it was gonna be good because all the curly bitches have bounce curl. All the curly bitches on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram for years have been using, especially this cream. So I knew it was gonna be good, but holy shit, like this brand literally is on my top 5 right now. Also the brush, 10 out of 10. I understand why this went viral. I get it, okay? And for a brush to work this good on curly hair and on wavy hair, crazy. Also considering that I just used the cream for the refresh, I have a really good amount of volume, like, who is she? Oh my God, I'm really feeling myself today. Okay, but that's it for today's video. I'm sorry this wasn't like the most, I don't know, educational or helpful video out there. I just wanted to catch up with you guys, do a little hair refresh, do some first impressions with you guys, and try to get back into the flow of things, into the flow with just making a long video. Let's see how I do with editing. Actually, let's do a check-in with Editing Nemesis. Editing Nemesis, how are you?
Not great.
How have you been?
Not gonna lie, been better.
How have you been handling this?
Girl, I don't know. I'm just trying to get through this.
Is your laptop working okay?
She's behaving.
Has it already told you that you have a full disk?
Yeah, several times.
What's the vibe?
The vibe is not vibing, sis. You talk way too much, but let's carry on.
Okay, thank you for that update. Anyways, that's it, my babes. I don't even remember what my outro was for these videos. Whatever. I'm just gonna say bye. Please comment anything down below. Say hi. Welcome back. Say anything, please. I just want to talk to you guys again. Please come back to my channel. I miss you. And of course, if you would like to keep up with me outside of YouTube, please go follow me on Instagram at nemesismarie06 and on TikTok at nemesismarie_06. But most importantly, please do me a favor. Girls, boys, gender non-binaries, have a great rest of your day. Okay, bye. Also, I realized that I forgot to do like the song of the week, song of the moment thing. I'll do it next week, I promise. Okay, bye.